Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and when we first moved to this house, we really could not stand the bathroom faucet. It felt like it was the completely wrong faucet for this sink design, and we felt like we could never get enough water from it to suit our needs. But we do not have that issue anymore now that we got this awesome Ximlike bathroom faucet. All the hardware and attachments were provided with this faucet for a complete installation. It has a one-handle design, which I really like because I never like fooling around with two handles. The handle moves really easily, but you can also put it exactly in the right place that you want it and get that perfect temperature that you're looking for. It has a perfectly angled tilt for excellent water flow. The water now reaches to a comfortable, natural place in my sink. I can get my hands fully soaked with water to get a really thorough wash. I find it much easier to wash my face now too, and I feel like I can wash my face much more quickly because I can fill my hands with water in no time and get a really speedy rinse. I am so happy with my new faucet because the water comes out at a great flow rate and it comes out to a natural place in my sink. It is so much easier and so much more pleasant to use than my previous faucet. And that's my point of view.